Not every question has one number for an answer. Sometimes you measure several responses together. Sometimes your variables are categories, not quantities. A recipe doesn't just change thickness. It might shift conductivity and resistivity too, and those move together. I could run 3 separate ANOVAs, but that ignores the fact that the responses are correlated. MANOVA tests them jointly. Does the recipe shift the whole trio at once? Instead of 1F, it reports multivariate statistics like Wilks Lambda and Pillai's trace. Now switch to categories. Are scrap dispositions related to which tool ran the lot, or independent? A contingency table cross-tabulates the two, tool against disposition, counting how many lots land in each cell. The chi-square test of independence compares the observed count in each cell to the count you'd expect if the variables were unrelated. The bigger the gap, the larger the statistic, and the smaller its p-value. Significance isn't everything, so Stratum also reports Cramier's V, how strong the association is, 0 to 1. And it can show the sparse cell percentage, flagging where expected counts get too small to trust. When you have many combinations to screen, the differences analysis runs the comparison across every subgroup and parameter, then sorts most significant first. It's a triage tool, one ranked list instead of dozens of tables, and when a row looks interesting, I right-click to drill into a mosaic plot, a tiled picture of the table. A number tells you something is there, the mosaic shows you what. Next, we stop comparing and start predicting with linear regression.